Shine, shine your light on me, yeah.
Hi, Nick here from Autosol Australia to show you how to use Autosol Metal Polish Liquid. This product is recommended for metal surfaces in reasonable condition, as a regular light polish every few weeks is better than a heavy polish once the metal has begun to deteriorate. So how do we use it? Clean any dust or dirt from your workpiece with a damp cloth or sponge and dry it thoroughly. Then use a clean, dry polishing cloth, making sure it's free of any sand or other abrasive particles. Apply a healthy amount of Autosol Metal Polish Liquid to the cloth. Covering 5 to 15 centimetres at a time, rub the polish over the workpiece in a circular motion. Finish by wiping down the surface with a second clean and dry polishing cloth until you see the shine come up. If necessary, repeat the process a couple of times for better results. And that's it. Thanks for watching, and shine on.